Discover how to make and use natural remedies from homegrown herbs to improve your health and well-being. In recent years, more people than ever have turned to natural remedies for general health and well-being, and for help with ailments, from the common cold to arthritis. This comprehensive book of expert advice teaches you how to grow your own herbs, harvest plants from the wild, and process ingredients to create your own cabinet of natural remedies, all with safety in mind. In this updated, expanded, and fully redesigned edition of his best-selling classic, author Andrew Chevallier, a fellow and former president of the National Institute of Medical Herbalists, combines the latest scientific research with the traditional and folkloric use of the plants to give detailed information about the benefits and constituents of more than 560 herbs, from aloe vera and cardamom through to witch hazel and yarrow. Clear imagery will help you identify and distinguish between the different healing plants, while a detailed self-help section shows you how to treat more than 150 common ailments, including with practical herbal remedies you can make at home. Learn how to create delicate tea infusions, strong tinctures, sweet syrups, infused oils, powdered poultices, and more. Find the link below and buy the book now.